If you use Evernote every day, one of the best ways to save time is by keeping your most important notebooks just one click away. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a notebook to shortcuts in Evernote, so you can get faster access to the notes and projects you use most. This is a simple but powerful organization trick, especially if you manage work notes, study material, client files, or personal planning inside Evernote. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Evernote and look at the left-hand sidebar. In the sidebar, find and click on Notebooks. This will open your full list of notebooks so you can choose the one you want to pin for quick access. Next, scroll through your notebooks and locate the one you want to add to shortcuts. Once you've found it, look for the More Actions button next to the notebook. This is usually shown as 3 dots. You can also right-click the notebook name if that feels easier. When the Options menu opens, click Add to Shortcuts. And just like that, Evernote will place that notebook into your Shortcuts section, so it appears right in the sidebar for faster access later. This is really helpful because instead of searching through your full notebook list every time, you can jump straight into the notebooks you use most often. If you want to organize even faster, you can add more than one notebook to shortcuts using the same method. Just repeat the process for each notebook you want easy access to. There's also another simple way to do this. You can drag and drop the notebook directly into the Shortcuts section of your left sidebar. So if you prefer a more visual method, just click and hold the notebook, drag it over to Shortcuts, and release it there. Evernote will save it instantly. This drag and drop method is especially useful if you're arranging several shortcuts at once and want to build a more personalized workspace. After you add the notebook, take a second to check the Shortcuts section. You should now see your notebook listed there, ready to open whenever you need it. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your view or make sure you completed the action on the correct notebook. And that's really all there is to it. Adding a notebook to shortcuts in Evernote is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow and keep your most important information within reach. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.